Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog wipes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Vetnique Labs Glandex Rear End Wipes. Dog butt wipes may be what you think of first when you consider wipes for your dog. My winner in this category is Vetnique Labs Glandex Rear End Wipes. This ultra-soft but durable wipe supports anal gland health and helps you practice proper hygiene with your pup. The wipes contain natural enzymes that help eliminate unpleasant gland odors without any harsh chemicals. Aloe vera and skin moisturizers help restore and soothe the area and keep your dog feeling their best. Some customer reviews claim the scent of these wipes can be overwhelming. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Pet MD XL Topical Wipes. There are many reasons you may need a disinfectant wipe for your pup, and they work exceptionally well to clean cuts and scrapes and to ease skin issues. The Pet MD Chlorhexidine wipes are my top choice for the best dog disinfectant wipes. These pet-friendly disinfectant wipes are medicated with chlorhexidine and ketoconazole, which have antiseptic and antifungal properties. They can help eliminate skin problems caused by yeast, fungus, infections, rashes, cuts, ringworm, and acne. These pet disinfectant wipes are extra large for increased coverage, and their no-sting formula will ensure your pup's comfort when you use them. If ingested, this could make your pet sick, so you need to be cautious with their use and storage. At number 3, we have the Jax and CALI Tear Stain Wipes. Tear stains and eye boogers can leave your pup looking sad. Jax and CALI Dog Eye Wipes, my top choice for the best eye wipes for dogs, can help you clean up your pup gently and safely. These finger mitt wipes work as dog tear stain wipes and dog eye booger wipes. Long-term use can reduce existing tear stains and prevent tear stains from forming. This pH-balanced all-natural product uses colloidal silver, boric acid, and antioxidant enzymes to target yeast and moist dermatitis gently. At number 2, we have the Podgies Grooming Wipes. Does your pup have sensitive skin or skin allergies, but you still need to groom him with wipes from time to time? My pick for the best hypoallergenic wipes for dogs is Podgies Grooming Wipes. You won't find any parabens, alcohol, fragrances, or other harsh chemicals in these wipes. They're good for the most sensitive skin. Aloe vera, vitamin E, and Hawaiian awapuhi help clean, freshen, and condition your pup's skin and coat. These durable and long-lasting products are made with 100% sustainably harvested bamboo fiber. Customers rave about the light, fresh scent and say they're large enough for big dogs. And finally, at number 1, we have the TropiClean Oxymed Soothing Allover Cat and Dog Wipes. Speaking of allergies, if you're trying to relieve your dog from the itching associated with irritants or atopic dermatitis, TropiClean Oxymed wipes can help your dog get instant relief from dry, itchy, irritated, and inflamed skin. They're made with soothing, cleansing, and moisturizing ingredients like coconut, oatmeal, vitamin E, aloe, chamomile, and alpha hydroxyl. Many users say they're very effective, although some customers complained that they're not wet enough. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.